Hello, my name is Dan. I'm a Senior Global Product Manager with Cytiva. Today we're going to be talking about PFAS. You may have heard PFAS. It's been in the news quite a lot lately. What is PFAS? PFAS are small molecules. They're known as forever chemicals. They're man-made. They can be found in drinking water. They can be found in athletic clothing, in the different pots and pans that we're using to cook. They're really useful chemicals. However, they can also be extremely dangerous. So if you need to test any samples for PFAS contamination or to check the level of PFAS in any sample, we do recommend that you should be using a syringe filter for that sample analysis or prior to injecting into an HPLC for several reasons. One, column protection. You always want to protect the column that you're running on, and taking particulates out by a syringe filter is the easiest, best, and fastest way to do it. Number two, protect your instrument. Your instrument has value. And again, those particulates can be removed with syringe filters. So it's best practice to filter your samples. But the most important reason that we want to filter is that the filter itself should not introduce any background contamination of PFAS containing molecules. For that reason, at Cytiva, we have tested various syringe filters that can be used for PFAS analysis. We tested membranes with PES, nylon, and regenerated cellulose. We tested according to test method 1633 of the EPA. And what we found is that we have extremely low background levels. So how can that be useful for you? If you're doing method 1633, well, you can use our direct data as maybe your background or your blank subtractions. If you're working on another method in PFAS, I would recommend still go ahead and test these filters, but we know they show low contamination, so therefore your background subtraction would be much easier.